Tired of watching your trades go south without a safety net? Today, we're diving into how to set stop-loss orders on Tradovate, your ultimate shield against unexpected market downturns. First, open up the Tradovate platform and select the instrument you want to trade. Whether it's a stock, future, or option, I've selected a futures contract here. Now, locate the order entry panel. The default order type will probably say market. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear with various order types. You'll want to choose either stop market or stop limit. A stop market order will trigger a market order when your specified price is reached, guaranteeing execution. At not price, a stop limit order triggers a limit order at your specified price, guaranteeing price, but not execution. We'll choose stop market for this example. You'll now see the stop price field. This is the price at which you want your order to trigger. Enter your desired stop loss price. For example, if you're long, set it below the current market price and, of course, enter the quantity you want to trade. Once you've set your stop price and quantity, click place order. A confirmation window will pop up. Double check all the details and click confirm to submit your stop loss order. Your stop loss order will now appear in the order book. Tradovate will automatically execute it if the market price reaches your specified stop price, and that's it. You've successfully set a stop loss order on Tradovate to protect your investments.